Let's be honest for a second. You remember those days when you suddenly feel super motivated, like you watch a motivational video or read something inspiring, and you tell yourself, bro, tomorrow I will going to change my whole life. And the next day, you actually start strong. Maybe you do some extra work, maybe you work on your goals, maybe you hit the gym, and it all feels very amazing. And you keep going. But day 3 comes in, day 4 comes in, day 5 comes in, and everything slowly fades away. And you once skip, then twice, and suddenly you are at exactly the place where you started. And you sit there and ask yourself, why I can't stay consistent? What's wrong with me? So I want to tell you something right now. Nothing is wrong with you. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are just relying on the wrong thing. Here's the real problem that almost nobody talks about. You rely on motivation too much. And honestly, motivation is the weakest fuel you can use to run long term habits. That's the real problem. And think about it. Motivation is like weather. One day it's raining, the other day it's sunny, and the day after it's just unpredictable. You can't predict it. And if your habits depend on that kind of unstable energy, then your habits will definitely fail. Because motivation feels amazing in the moment, it really does. But it never stays. You wake up one day and feel very energetic, ready to go. But the other day you are like, I don't feel like it today. You see, that's the motivation problem. You have to overcome this problem. And that's where real problem starts. When your motivation depend on your moods. Because the moment your mindset depend on mood, the moment it collapses. Because our mood changes every single day. That's the reason you see people keep saying, I will start from today, I will start tomorrow, I will do it on Monday, let me do some rest, I am tired. All are excuses. Bro, we have all done this. But the simple truth is, motivation can start a habit, but it can never maintain a habit. Because our brain is built to protect comfort, to protect the our though not to chase growth. That's the real reason. And when you rely on motivation, what actually you are doing is fighting against your brain every single day. Till when you fight, at the end of day, you fail against your brain. That means comfort wins. This changes everything. James Clear said something so life changing. Honestly, it is very life changing in Atomic Habit books. He said, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. This single line explains why consistency feels impossible when you rely on motivation. A system is something you just do automatically. Even if you're tired, you do it. Even if you don't feel like showing up, you do it. Even if you are not motivated, you still do it. You don't hype yourself for it, like brushing your teeth. You don't feel motivated to do it. You just simply do it because it's automatic. That's a system. A system creates a structure and motivation creates feelings. And honestly, feelings are not reliable for long term goals. So, how do you create that system? Let me break down it for you simply. Step 1, pick a fixed time. Your brain loves routine. Like, say to your brain, like every day at 7 p.m., I do this. It becomes predictable. You don't think, you just execute. Second, make it ridiculously easy to start. Like stupidly easy. Like if you want to study, start with 10 minutes. If you want to do workout, start with 5 minutes. Make it so ridiculously easy that your brain can't say no. Third is remove friction. If your books are buried in the bag, you won't study. If your gym clothes aren't ready, you gone to for workout. If your workstation is messy, you won't focus. Make the easy habits, right habits so easy and make the bad habits very, very annoying and frustrating. Fourth is no more check. Don't ask yourself, do I feel like doing this? Because the answer will be almost every single time no. So when times come in, just start executing. Even if it's small, little, tiny, very tiny, still do it. Because slowly study your brain realizing it and suddenly something amazing happen. Your brain start to realizing system. Now consistency become your default mode. You don't need motivation anymore. You just work on consistently with systems. So you see all four steps you need to become consistent. The problem is systems. You are not creating system. You rely on motivation. But only stop that and create systems that you don't need motivation anymore. And following the four step, you will be amazed by the results. So promise me, you will going to follow the four step process and you will gonna achieve everything in life